Hello to all. I am assistant professor in SND College of Engineering, Yeola. My name is Samiksha Godalkar. I was taught the subject of basic electronics. Today video lecture topic is function generator. A function generator is usually a piece of electronic test equipment or software used to generate different types of electrical waveforms over a wide range of frequencies. Some of the most common waveforms produced by the function generator are the sine, square, triangular, and sawtooth shapes. These waveforms can be either repetitive or single shot, which requires an internal or external trigger source. Integrated circuits used to generate waveforms may also be described as function generator ICs. Other important features of the function generator are continuous turning over a wide bands with maximum minimum frequency ratios of 10 is to 1 or more, a wide range of frequencies from a few hertz to a few megahertz, a flat output amplitude and modulation capabilities like frequency sweeping, frequency modulation, and amplitude modulation. The AM, FM, and AM are the frequency sweeping in modulation. This is the diagram of function generator. Practically, the function generator is as shown in the slide. The function generator working is simple function generators usually generate a triangular waveform whose frequency can be controlled smoothly as well as in steps. This triangular wave is used as the basis for all of its other outputs. The triangular wave is generated by repeatedly charging and discharging capacitor from a constant current source. This produces a linearly ascending or descending voltage ramp. As the output voltage reaches upper and lower limits, the charging and discharging is reversed using a comparator, producing the linear triangular wave. By varying the current and the size of the capacitor, different frequencies may be obtained. A 50% duty cycle square wave is easily obtained by nothing whether the capacitor is being charged or discharged, which is reflected in the current switching comparator output. Most function generators also contain a nonlinear diode shaping circuit that can convert the triangular wave into a reasonably accurate sine wave by rounding off the corners of the triangular wave in the process similar to clipping in the audio system. A typical function generator can provide frequencies up to 20 MHz. RF generators for higher frequencies are not function generators in the strict sense. They typically produce a pure or modulated sine signals only. Function generators, like most signal generators, may also contain an attenuator, various means of modulating the output waveform, and often the ability to automatically and repetitively sweep the frequency of the output waveform by means of a voltage control oscillator between two operator determined limits. This capability makes it very easy to evaluate the frequency response of a given electronic circuit. Some function generators can also generate white or pink noise. More advanced function generators are called arbitrary waveform generator. They use direct digital synthesis techniques to generate any waveform that can be described by a table of amplitude. This is the diagram of function generator. Frequency, which is vary by using a knob, and the wave, sine wave, is displayed on a function generator. The direct digital synthesis DDS is a method of producing an analog waveform, usually a sine wave, by generating a time varying signal in digital form and then performing a digital to analog conversion. Because operations within a DDS device are primarily digital, it can offer fast switching between output frequencies, fine frequency resolution, and operation over a broad spectrum of frequencies. With advances in design and process technology, today's DDS devices are very compact and draw little power. Figure shows the square wave, triangular wave, and sinusoidal output from DDS. Indirect digital synthesis is a method of producing an analog waveform, usually a sine wave, by generating a time varying signal in digital form and then performing a digital to analog conversion. Because operations within a DDS device are primarily digital, it can offer fast switching between output frequencies, fine frequency resolution, and operation over a broad spectrum of frequencies. With advantages in design and process technology, today's DDS devices are very compact and draw the little power. Figure shows sine wave, square wave, and triangular output from DDS. The specification of uh, function generator is the typical specification for a general purpose function generator is produces a sine wave, square wave, triangular wave, also sawtooth wave called as a ramp wave, and pulse output. Arbitrary waveform generators can produce waves of any shape. It can generate a wide range of frequencies. For example, the Tektronix FG502 CA1974 covers 0.1 Hz to 11 MHz. The frequency stability of 0.1% per hour for analog generator or 500 ppm for a digital generator. Maximum sine wave distortion of about 1%. Accuracy of diode shaping network for analog generator. Arbitrary waveform generators may have distortion less than 55 dB below 50 kHz and less than 40 dB above 50 kHz. Some function generators can be a phase locked to an external signal source, which may be a frequency reference or another function generator. AM or FM modulation may be supported. Output amplitude up to 10 volt peak to peak. Amplitude can be modified usually by a calibrated attenuator with decade steps and continuous adjustment within each decade. Some generators provide a DC offset voltage, example adjustable between -5 to +5 volt. A completely different approach to function generation is to use software instruction to generate a waveform with provision for output. For example, a general purpose digital computer can be used to generate the waveform if the frequency range and amplitude are acceptable. The sound card fitted to most computers can be used to output the generated wave. Circuit elements. An electronic circuit element used for generating waveforms within other apparatus is also described as a function generator or waveform generator. A subsystem may provide an output proportional to same mathematical function of its input. For example, the output may be proportional to the square root of the input. Such devices are used in feedback control systems and in analog computers. For references of function generator, You use Wikipedia, Google website. Thank you.